Hello, Internet. This is Lord Mad Dog, and I'm coming at you today with a plea for help. Yes, so as you know, I am currently working on a runtime character creator using metahumans. And right now, I'm actually working on hair. And if you were to come in here and look at it, it looks like I've got everything all set up and perfect. As you can see, I can change my hair color at runtime. I can change my highlights at runtime. I can even change the umbra, which is the little shades on the bottom of the hair down here at runtime. And I can change even how they're all stats are done and how they look and everything. I can even change my eyebrows. Oops, it's kind of hard to see with that hairstyle. I come back up here. You can see my eyebrows changing. Just close off the hair and come down the eyebrows. You can see I'm changing my eyebrows at runtime. Everything's perfectly fine. I can even copy the hair color, match the hair color. Eyelashes, changing here. Beards, we don't want to put a beard on a lady here. I mean, match the hair color there. And even mustaches. So, yeah. All looks perfectly nice and is working really well, except for one thing. That's when I change my head. So here, boom, that's what happens. That's because grooms, which are hair in Unreal Engine, require to have a binding asset for every single skeletal mess that they're attached to. And, well, I have 22 different heads, and I probably be wanting to add 22 base messes. I would probably be wanting to add more than 22 base messes as we go along, which means I have to make 7. Here we're down here at the bottom. We'll see. I need to make 87 binding assets to accommodate all of my heads. So how I'll do it here is I will show you how a current process is going, and I'm looking for a better, faster process. Aria, because that's another one of my heads. I'm named Aria. We're going to copy all the one heads in here. We're going to control copy. We'll go Aria. We'll paste them in here, and we'll go ahead and find ponytail, because we're going to edit our ponytail. We're going to need to change this little one right here to Aria. Right there. And it'll take a few seconds to do that. Come on. Yeah, see, it takes a bit of time. Okay. Then after I finally have the binding asset done, changed over, I need to come up to my binding list. And we're going to find ponytail in here too. Ponytail. Here we are. Then I have to add a new array element for my binding. I'm going to copy my old binding list. We're going to paste it here so it's a lot easier. I'm going to type area. We're going to make it binding to the head, and then we're going to look here. Oh, I did not name it. That's here. Make sure we add a little after I changed it. I just add a little name on the end here. Oops, capitalized. There we are. Now come back to my binding list, and you'll see now Aria is there. And boom, that is now the binding head done for this head right here. Hair, we'll go back to hair. See, afro's still messed up, but hair is perfectly fine. I mean, ponytail is perfectly fine. The eyelashes are not fine, and if you do the other click on other things, you'll see that other things are not fine. And well, that seems like a kind of a simple project. I have to do that 22 times 87. And you can see my dilemma with that. It is a kind of simple, easy project, but that's going to take me at least, I don't know, 20, 30 hours worth of work for 22 heads. And if I ever add more, I got to do each one of them again. So I am wondering if there is an easier way, or maybe a coding system that I can, at least a code that can automatically edit my data asset, or a way to easily change these here, my binding assets. If I try to open them in property matrix, it will instantly groom binding assets. For some reason, it'll instantly crash the editor. So I thought, man, I could just go here and click all these here and then open them all at once in editing and then change all the skeletal messes. It didn't. It crashes the moment I try it. So I did try doing some coding. I I didn't have it. It didn't work. Another person suggested to make my default head have morph targets. The only problem is that I was not able to get any of my I was not able to get any of my heads to match the morph targets. It would not allow me to import morph targets. And I would spend 3 or 4 hours trying to figure that out because I figured, hey, that might work, but I couldn't get it. So I'm back to just standing here for hours on end, just clicking buttons over and 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 over again, and I'd rather not do that. So if anyone has any hints or ideas on how to fix this, I would love to know them. Feel free to add it in the comments or join my Discord. Lord Mad Dog, signing off.